Welcome to my video about using the passive voice. In particular, this is about using the passive voice to conceal responsibility. So let's see how this works with a situation. Here is the situation. I was playing football in the classroom and I smashed the window. Obviously, playing football in the classroom is not a wise thing to do, and smashing the window is a natural consequence of playing football in the classroom, and the teacher will not be happy. The situation develops because the teacher walks in. So, what do? I have a choice. The teacher asks me what happened, and I have three main choices. I can admit my mistake, I can lie, or I could use the passive. So let's see how this would work. I could admit my mistake. I smashed the window. Sorry, teacher. I could lie. It wasn't me. Or I could use the passive. The window was smashed. So notice, when using the passive, it allowed me to tell the truth while still concealing responsibility for smashing the window. Okay. Thanks for listening. Hope that helped.